Very good morning, students. Today I'm starting my lecture for grade 11th, and today we'll be doing the next topic, that is formal letter to order. Order means we need to order something. So first of all, I need to recapitulate the pattern for this. Pattern of formal letters are always same. Only some changes are required which we need to see and keep this in mind. That is sender's address. Again, it will be in 3 lines. Space, then date pattern is always the month, date, comma, and then the year. Next is space, then receiver address, who will be receiving it. Next is space and then subject for what we are writing. Next is space and then salutation, that is dear sir. Next is without keeping a gap, body of the letter, it is divided into 3 parts. Then space, then complimentary clause, that is yours truly, then name and then designation. So today in the letter to order, if this is the sample letter I am telling you, that is on behalf of the president of the Resident Welfare Association of your area or society. You are writing a letter to Bharat Rainwater Harvesters Private Limited, 3 Okla Industrial Street, Delhi, placing an order for setting up the rainwater harvesting equipment in your society. So the company has already given a demonstration of the equipment, and the RW has already passed the resolution for the purchase and installation of the equipment from the said company. So we have options for placing the order. How do we know the rates, how to manage the things? Either we have seen the pamphlet, or it is recommended by someone, somewhere ad we have seen, or they have given demo. After that only we are ordering the thing. So here, first of all, the sender's address, who is sender? We. Our address, then space, then date, then receiver address, that is sales and marketing manager, Bharat Rainwater Harvesters Private Limited, Okla, Delhi. Dear sir, subject will be order for Bharat Rainwater Harvesting System 1442 for our society, because we are ordering that. Next, body of the letter, in the first paragraph you will be giving introduction for the same. That is, this is reference to your demonstration. It means the company has given demo for the same. Of the working of Bharat Rainwater Harvesting System 1442, that is the code of that product, for cooperative housing societies held at our society on Sunday. The date means the date we are mentioning when they people have given the demo. Coming to the next paragraph, on behalf of the RWA, I am very pleased to place an order to said rainwater harvesting system for our society. As agreed in our discussion, your company will provide 1 year post service and maintenance and train the society staff and a few selected members in the proper care and maintenance of the equipment. Next paragraph, kindly let me know the exact time. You can ask when they are going to deliver this at your place. Time your company requires to install and successfully run the system. In the last paragraph, you will be saying them. I am enclosing a check, because you need to mention the way you will be giving them payment. Okay, you can write payment shall be made through check after the delivery, or you can send them the check in advance. I am closing a check of rupees 2 lakhs only as an advance payment for the system. Here the person is giving advance. Do please let me know how the company would like to accept the balance payment. Means some of the payment has been given in advance, and some of the pending payment you are asking them how they will be accepting it, which will be made only after the successful installation and trial of the system. You need also to be sure, then only you will be giving the full amount. At last, thanking you in advance, you can say thanking you in anticipation, then yours truly, then your name and whatever post or designation you have. Okay, so we'll be doing the next in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day, you all.